Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2018 Chevy Spark LT, stock number Z9990XX. 21,000 miles on this Spark. It's a one owner. Clean auto check history report. Mosaic black in color. You received the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 4, cloth interior. Rear seats fold flat for additional cargo space. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. And backup camera for additional safety. Removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Large cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect media devices. And automatic transmission. Large glove box with all the owners inside. Under the hood, the Spark has a 1.4 liter, 4-cylinder, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 30 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Spark, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.